right, I'm inside Trinity Market. Wine, cocktail wine bar happening in here. Quite lovely. It's quiet right now, but I'm glad because I'm able to come in because I am live streaming on my main channel, out and about with your truly Lizzo C. But this is going to be for my food channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. And I just ordered their olives for $5 for Norsarella.
Yeah.
Okay. So Norsarella are these olives, and they're lovely.
From Sicily.
From Sicily.
Yeah, Italy.
Ah, lovely. And then I got this empanada. It's spinach and ricotta, and it's from Gaucho Pie and Co.
Yeah.
With the what is it?
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri.
Yeah, which is Argentinian sauce.
Right. Okay.
Sparkling wine.
Okay, and the Canadian sparkling wine. Can you?
Coming in right there.
Right. Okay, here's the label.
Nicholas Pierce.
Nicholas Pierce from Ontario, right?
From Prince Edward County.
Prince Edward County. And they're actually doing a wine sampling tonight, which I won't be able to make it, but I'm here now, and it's quite lovely. And then you can only get this at here.
Yeah, bottle shops are at the Toronto. But
Bottle
not
shops,
LCBO.
not at LCBO.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on my other phone so I can do my review. So I'm gonna give this a try. I don't think I had the ricotta, spinach and ricotta, but I had I had 4 types when I was at Gaucho Pie and Co. But we're gonna try the spinach and ricotta here. Bite into it first. I love the pie crust, or the pastry. Lovely. Lovely, crispy. Yum. Take your pie. It's delish. And it's warmed up perfectly. That's good. This is what I like a wanting to find like a wine bar, small, quaint. They had their music on, and they're not busy, so Matt was kind enough to turn down the music for me. YouTube copyrights everything. I'm gonna enjoy this, so if you're local, please come to Trinity Market at 768A Queen Street West in Toronto. Just off of Queen Street. It's a side street next to the Ukrainian church. So take your bite.
Yeah, gotcha. So Castello Trio. So Gris Basserio is the varietal itself. So you're doing a Lambrusco from Emilia Romagna.
Okay.
So it is a nice bubble, sparkling red. Have a little sip of that first.
Sure.
Fruit forward but dry, really beautiful nose, great fruit. And that is like the ultimate food pairing wine, they call it. Lambruscos are unbelievable. Fruit forward but bone dry.
Yes.
Little bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really
Like
lovely.
I like it chilled.
Yeah.